Yeah, guys, can we start now? Hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. Sure.
Okay, so we are going to set up automatic payment program. Agenda is to select and pay invoices automatically and write checks. Okay, this is the
Mhm.
agenda. In lieu of doing that, we'll do it in phased manner. We have three phases. Phase one, setup, that is your FBZP. Phase two is uh, vendor change, that's FK02. Phase three is check lot creation, this is FCHI. And phase four, finally, run payments. So this is what we are going to cover right now. It's a big program, kind of. It will take like next 40 to 45 minutes.
Mhm.
So let's do that. I hope none of you are in rush in next 45 minutes. It's already
It's
delayed.
fine.
That's the important part of your like FICO training. Automatic payment program. Audio mic is not working for you. That's fine, Venkat. It's been recorded. If you have something, you can let me know through chat. Now, there's no T code for FBZP, the setup part. We are going to try, yeah, FBZP. There's no path for the same. Yeah. So, put the T code first, FBZP. And this six settings are going to come for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to do it one by one. Click on all company codes. Hit new entries. In the company code name, put TAT1. Sending company code, leave it blank. Paying company code, again fill TAT1. And come down to here, vendor section. In the special GL transactions to be paid, select A, F, and P. Keep the control key pressed. Don't leave that and select A, then F, and then third one P. We are selecting down payment request, and payment requests. So we have A, F, and P here. Save it. Go back. Then rush to the second one, paying company code. Some technical details also may come over here, like forms, program names. So I'll be telling you.
Okay.
Hit new entries, paying company code, TAT1 again. Minimum amount for incoming payment 1, minimum for outgoing 1. It's saying in INR, but once I hit enter, it will be changed to your local currency. So it's now 1 USD. Come down.
Okay.
See this form section. It's closed right now. When you click on this plus button, it will be opened. Payment advice. Payment advice and payment medium. Two things are there. Payment medium is called as mode of payment, which is here. Check right now. Okay.
Okay.
And then
Yeah.
the second term is called as payment advice. Payment advice is the intimation of purpose of payment. It will be having a note on against which particular invoice you are paying this. So fine, you have to select a form for payment advice. Click on form section here.
Okay.
Open it. Go to international. and payment advice note international here. Third one. Double click. It will be displayed like this. This is the form name. The one we selected. Payment advice note international. The name for that form is F110 underscore IN underscore ABIS. Don't fill anything in EDIA company seat. In the sender details for SAP script form, text ID should be ST, stands for standard text. Header, footer, and sender. Three details we are going to copy from company code 0001. So you should be writing 0001 header, 0001 footer, and 0001 sender. These are the technical information that has been defined in default company code 0001. We are trying to override the data from there. If your company is giving you some other header, footer, and sender information, you can put it. Basically, in the payment advice note and checks, over the top, I mean the header part, footer part, and the sender details part, what should be written and where should be written will be decided over here. You can save it. You might think like, you should have some control over there. You should not be having control because that is a form, and form formatting, design, pixels, everything will be decided by the technical guy. So if you need to make some changes really, in that case, you need to reach him. ABAPA. Okay. Now go back. Then click on payment method in country. Over here, go for US. System will show you all the payment methods being popular in USA. Bank transfer, biller direct, ACH, automatic clearing houses, checks, federal drawdown, payment via ISC channel. Different types of payment methods are given over here. What you are supposed to do, we will be able to do checks, because whether it is ACH, biller direct, or bank transfer, we cannot do it manually. There need to be have a payment gateway through which you have to pass the payment. So say you are making bank transfer, at least you should have some merchant ID on which whenever you click on pay, the site will redirect you to the payment channel. From there you will put the bank details and come back and the payment will be done. But that interface is not here with us. So we are going to work with this check option. We will ask the system to write checks automatically. So double click on check. When you double click on check, you will find details like this. If in case you are not able to find C here, simply click on new entries and update the details like this. Put the country US, payment method C, description check, configure for outgoing. We don't configure automatic payment for incoming payment. In the payment method classification, you will have four options: bank transfer, check, bill of exchange, and check or bill of exchange. Select check here. Allowed for personal payments means employee's salary you can pay through automatic payment program. If in the required master record specification, any of these buttons are checked, do uncheck them like this. Do not check them at all.
Okay.
Why? Because in required master record specification, in your vendor master, if you have checked STPO box postal code and any of these informations are missing, then you will not be able to work with that.
Okay.
Document type of payment, I have given KZ. Here it's given KZ. It's not KZ, it's ZP, and here it's ZV. So even if it is not there, go and modify that. Make it ZP for payment document type of payment, and the clearing document type put ZV. Calm down. Why this? Generally payment documents we are handling through document type KZ, but the problem is if you put KZ over there, you will not be able to segregate the payments, which payments you have made manually and which payments you are making through automatic payment. So it's a better option. You will be able to find out which of the checks or which of the payments are cleared manually or which of the payments are cleared automatically. Okay, calm down. In the payment medium, here we are specifying how the checks will be printed. So click on use classic name medium payment program, and in the payment medium program name, write exactly like this: RFFOUS_C. Don't change it. This is the check printing program name. So you have to put exactly like this: RFFOUS. This is the US format, and then _C stands for check payment. After this, Come down. Name of the print dataset can be list 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s depending on the printer configuration. Save it and come out. Yeah. So go to the fourth option. That payment method C needs to be linked with your company code. So payment method in company code, fourth option. Hit new entries here. Your company code name T81. Payment method C. Minimum amount for payment 1. Maximum a lot of 9s. So no restrictions at all. Single payment for marked item means if you have 5 invoices from the same vendor and all are due, they will be collected together and paid via a single check by adding all the amounts together. Payment per due date, whether you check it or not, automatic payment only makes payment on behalf of due date only. If it is not due, automatic payment will not select that. Whether you check or not, doesn't matter. Come down. If you think foreign business partner, currency, and customer vendors are allowed, check all these three. Then go to payment form data. Select here form for payment medium. This is the check printing program name. Open it, go to international, and you will find check without check management and with check management. Don't select without check management, we select check with check management. What is the difference between the two? In the first example, without, bank will be printing check numbers on the pages. I mean the lot will be given to you into the check for the check printer. They will write the number as well. So you don't have really control to void the checks, to cancel the checks. Always you have to do it through bank only. And if you select check with check management, you will get the option to select the checks and check lots you want. The numbers will be dynamically printed as well. So select check with check management. It will look like this: F110 prenum underscore CSCK. Do not write anything in the next form section. Leave it blank. Come down to payment advice control. Here select as many as request and always payment advice. Here you will see a note also. A payment advice note is always created to inform the business partner of the purpose of the payment. Therefore, it is transmitted via payment medium, I mean the check, as well as the payment advice note. At both the places it will be written against which invoice, which vendor you are making the payment.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. Save it once. Go back. Before going to bank, we need to configure house bank. We haven't created that. Go to house bank, put T81. Here, new entry. Bank name is BOA, Bank of America. Bank country, US. In India, bank key stands for IFSC code. It's a combination of letters and numbers which specifies which particular bank, what location, and which branch, what ID. So if you like to put it like that, I don't know what is being used in US. I know it's number, and I guess 11-digit number. So let's try to put it like that. Okay, 989898. 6 times 8, 10, and say 1. Let me try. I'm giving a random number. You have to put the exact same number. Click on create. Okay, only 9. All right. So 2 to 4 to 6 to 8, 9. Okay. The bank name is Bank of America. Region. Okay, say California. Street. City. California. Bank branch. Say Millennium Street branch. Something like that. If you have a SWIFT code or BIC number, you can put it here. Continue. Now, double click on bank accounts and click on new entry. What system is asking you? In this bank key and this address, related bank, what is your account number over there? Every bank or every account comes with a customer ID. So you can put the customer ID here. Say I'm typing 1000. I'm giving it 4-digit only, but this number can be extended. In the description, like, type checking account. Bank account number, okay, 11 digit. Put it something else. 5 times 5, 6 times 6. Okay, it's trying to give something. And your bank account number in GL is 2010 here. Now save it. Create a request number. Define house banks. Data has been saved now. Like this, you can create any number of banks. Again, if you want to create a new bank, come out of this. And then here, select a next bank and put the details over there. So as many as number of banks you can create here. Then after, go to bank denomination. Last and then second last. Try to select your entry. That's T81. Select it. Double click on ranking order. New entries. Payment method C. Currency USD. Ranking order 1. And the house bank. It will be selected automatically. How we are giving ranking? If you have 10 banks, you can give them ranking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 manually. Go to bank accounts here. New entries. Keep selecting things. House bank. Bank of America. Payment method C. Currency is US dollars. Account ID is 1000. And bank sub account means GL of the bank account. That's 2010. I'll show you. Here it is. Bank of America, GL. Then leave bank accounts enhanced. Either you have to put the bank account or the enhanced. Anyone. Not both. Go to available amounts and try to put the amount available in your bank. Sorry. This is your house bank. Account ID 1000. Leave days. Currency US dollars. Available for outgoing. Say you have a lot of money to pay. And finally, save it. You're good. So, first phase configuration part is done.
Okay.
Second one, you have to put the payment method C into your vendors. So go to accounting, financials, AP, master, FK02 change, and then select your banks individually. Start from the first one-time vendor, and only select payment transaction in the company code data. The same you will find in general data, but you have to put it in the payment transaction in company code data. And here in the payment method, do select C. You can type it also, no need to select it. You simply type C and save. It's 101, 400. We have 101, 100 as well. Payment method, C and save. 101, 200. Payment method C and save. 101, 300. C and save. All done. 100, 300. Extra one more is there. C and save. After this, second phase is also done. Third phase, check lots creation. FCHI, you can do it from two places. One, type the T code directly here. FCHI. Go to house bank. Select Bank of America. Account ID is 1000. Selected. Then click on this pen icon here. After clicking on pen icon, a screen will be changed like this. Then click on create. Lot number 1. Starting from say 6-digit number 101,000 to 101,999. 1000 checks, fine. Say Bank of America, check lot 1. Purchase date, mention it, whatever it is.
Mm-hmm.
Enter. Never rely on one lot. Put a second lot as well. 102,002, 102,999. Don't collide the numbers. Make sure that they are different. See. And in the next lot, for lot 1, put 2. So that if for some reason first printer is not working or maybe checks are finished, system can automatically switch on to the next check printer and save it. Okay. Sakin,
Yeah.
today you have to upload the recording because Venkat is also having network problem and Anil is having as well. Okay. So once you are converted your recording, please upload it into the drive.
You're talking about the audio record or the video? Both. I have only audio.
Current one.
Yeah, I mean, it's just an audio record, right?
It's not audio, it's video.
Oh, sure. Okay.
I will assist you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Venkat, but you guys are getting disconnected frequently. Anyway,
There's some problem.
Mm-hmm. I know it happens. Now, third phase is also done. Finally, run payment. Before you run payments, you should have some invoices in your system. So click on document entry and FB60. Let's raise an invoice in almost each one of them. 8/09/2017. Say amount 90,000. 4,500. Press star and save it. $80,000. 4,500. Save. $70,000. Posted. So we have almost invoices in each of those vendors. You can check the balances, how much you have to pay. Go to account, FDL1N, clear the list of vendors, execute, and click on document number and sort according to the ascending order. So total of 342,000 is the amount to be paid. Okay, that's fine. How to run payment now? Payment you can find under periodic processing list, and here you have F110 payments. Put the current date. Do not try to make payments in back date. It can be done, but generally payments are being made on maybe weekly or daily basis. So identification number, think of something, CTAT 100, TAT 10. Okay, anything you can put here. Just you should be remembering this identification number because we are going to use it later. In the parameters, put the company code TAT1, payment method C, and next payment date goes always the next date. In the list of vendors, if you want, you can be able to select the list. like this from start to end, from here to here, or you have another option 129999. This is better. Come down to leave free selection, come down to additional log, click on due date check, payment method selection in all cases. This side is for vendor, so if you have multiple ranges of vendor, you can put them here one by one. Click back to status and save data. After that, go to print out data medium program, and this is your program name, RWFOUS_C. Do not write in front of these ones. Try to create a printout parameter, say in the variant name Bank of America lot 1. Okay, anything you can write it here. Then after, keep the cursor in this box and then click on maintain variants for all selection screens and then hit continue. Program run date is today's date, so 8th. Identification feature is T8010. Paying company code is T81. House bank, select from here. Account ID 1000. Check lot number. You will find 2. You have to select one from there. Currency is US dollars. Print check, advices, and summary. 3 things. LP01 is your printer name. LP01 means line printer 01. This is the screen printer. Whenever you want to see something printed on a screen itself, choose LP01.
Okay.
And in all of the 3, select print immediately. In the number of sample printouts, set it as 0, means no page ruining. And then click on do not void any checks at the bottom line, so that system will not run the test printouts and ruin the paper. Then after, click on attributes. Here write down anything like payment. Save it once, one more time, go back, save it. So your parameters have been maintained. Before running the payment, we always select run proposal. Proposal is like simulate button. You're just checking it out whether everything is going fine or not. Oh, I have made it wrong. Here date is 7th 9. Na? I have given run date as 8. Hang on. All the progress will be a man. Where's system date? Let me check. FB60. It's 8th only. Okay, fine. That's all right. Click on proposal, start immediately, and hit continue. Proposal is running and payment proposal has been created. You have to hit enter a couple of times here. That doesn't make any sense, but at least you will get some work in the meantime. Then after, click on display proposal. All green means everything is fine. If you have a red item, open that. Again, open the line item, and here in the notes section, you will find the problem. After that, if you're not able to find it from here, go to payment proposal, this log basically. Here, this item, payment method C is permitted. These 3 lines make sure that payment is being done. If these 3 lines are not there, you have 5 line items. So this much of items has created 5 times. You can check them one by scrolling down. See, C is permitted. Again, you will find payment method C is permitted. For all the green icons, a message like this will be coming. If this one is not coming, you will see the error list over here. So you will have to really read it. And do not read all the determination and all. Just read it like payment method selection additional log. Here you will find it. If it is written payment C is permitted, means payment is being done. If it is not coming, means there is some exception. But in my case, everything is fine. But if there is a problem, then you must be, deleting the proposal first. Because once you run a proposal and somehow it is not going right, then system is gonna block the invoices against the proposal. So if you want to make them free and maybe you want to make payment of them manually, in all those cases you have to delete the proposal, otherwise those invoices will be displayed as blocked. How to do that? Click on here, proposal, and see delete. Edit, proposal, delete. Click on yes, and the proposal will be deleted. You can create proposal any number of times. There is no issues with that. See, again created. Once you have error and you have corrected it, until you delete and create a new proposal, your problem will not be eradicated and refreshed. So if you want to confirm whether the problem has gone or not, delete the proposal and create a new one. If all is green, everything is fine. If still you have red items, it means still you have exceptions. So go again into the proposal log, find out the problem, correct it, and then run the proposal over again. After that, click on payment run. Continue. Running. Payment run has been carried out. Posting orders, 5 generated, 5 completed, means all the payments have been made. Okay. One more thing. System clears the invoices first, then only it goes for writing the checks. If you check in FBL1N, you will not find any open items in any of the vendors, not just this. If you click on all items, you will find all the items are cleared, and wherever you see ZP, it means the payment has been made by automatic payment program.
Okay.
You have a different number as well here. General items are being done by the KZ type document. So it's saying 15,000. It is ZP, so it's showing a 3,000 here. Now the time has came to run the printout of checks. So click on printout, delete the long job name and put some manageable one, T81, and the date is what? 8th September 17. Anything you can type. Print job has been scheduled. How to check print job? Go to system, services, and then output control. Here, execute it, and you will see checks, advices, and payment summaries. First of all, go with the checks. There are 6 pages. This is the first page, page 1 of 6. Check number, document number 3000. This was the due item, document number 19007. And this is the check that has been created against this. It's showing on the plain paper, so you're not able to, recognize it as a check. But if it is printed on the bank paper, it will be more readable and viable to you. First page. Okay, if you want to go to the next page, click on here. Next page. See, 80,000. Next page, 72,000. Next page, 15,000. Details above will be also changing dynamically. MR Group, Nokia, California, 85,000. And finally, at the end, you will find a cancelled check. There it will be having information of the checks that has been printed as a part of this run. Okay, dear?
Okay.
Second one is payment advice. Everything is similar here as of the check, only check information will be missing from the bottom line. It's just a document to inform the vendor like why we have made the payment. Again, it will be having almost 6 pages. Yeah? Go back. And finally, the summary for your internal use. Here are the invoice numbers, outstanding account number, the vendor numbers, their names, and their amounts in USD. So the payment has been made. If you want to have control on checks, some of them ripped during printing or some other printout problems happen. Go to account payables, environment, check information. You want to see the display of the check register, click on display NFC, HN, check register, paying company code T81, do a F8C. These are all the checks that have been printed. Once a check's payment has been received by the vendor, you have to put it in cast. So if you encast the check, you cannot delete the check information from your system. If you want to void it, you have different options here, like change, renumber, reprint check. So let's try reprint FCS7. Select a check to be reprinted. Say this one, Accenture one, 80,000. You have to provide the void region code why you are reprinting it. Say rip during printing. Didn't print it well. Then next, from here, select check lot number. And then LP01. Click on print immediately. Check and create. Okay, no, not create, sorry. I have to do it again. Immediately, and in the check option you have a reprint option. You'll see 101.001 has been voided and it's been reprinted on 101.005. More options are there. Renumber. If you want to create a manual check against any of the invoices, say you passed a journal entry and you want to create a check against that manually by the hands, and you want to update their status in the system. For that, you have to go to FS00 and select the bank account under consideration. Go to create bank interest tab and here make a change. Make it relevant to cash flow. If you don't do this, you will not be able to print the manual check. Now pass any journal entry. Say 8/9/2017. Okay, you paid rent to the landlord. Rent paid. Enter how much? 5,000 bucks. Later on, once printed, you can come down, make changes, and put the check number as well. Next, posting key 50 2010 with a star and post it. Document number is 1027. Remember it. Come down here, FCH5 manual checks. It's coming 1027. Select the check numbers to be allotted. Last used number is 5. So make it next 6 and save. Title, company, or the person you can take, Mr. Pay name, debit. For a city for him, say California, country US. See, check T81 Bank of America 101006 created manually. If you want to check the register, you will find the manual check also in the register only. T81 F8. So these are checks that has been printed automatically, and at the bottom line you will find checks that has been printed manually. Recipient name, amount against the document, everything is there. Okay guys,
Yeah.
this was all about automatic payment program. Let me know how did you like it.
Yeah.
You went up too fast.
I was too fast.
No, you just went too fast today.
Yeah.
Actually the procedure is long.
Yeah.
If
I
I
think
yeah.
we
If
just
I
need to go
don't do
over
it,
video and do some more practice.
exactly. But don't worry, nothing is missing there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So play it slowly and then you will be able to see it. And the best part is you have a very good document on that.
Mhm.
I have shared AP to you guys or not?
Um. No, sir.
Okay, I'll be selling it now. Venkat. Okay. Anirudh.
So I think even here has not been shared. I think just basic settings documents have been shared.
GL have shared it, I guess. I'll find it. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Check shared
Okay.
with me section.
Mhm.
All shared. Today's class is here in a folder called as automatic payment program under AP section. Here you'll
Mhm.
find automatic payment program configuration and payment run.
Mhm.
Open it. This is it.
Okay.
Slowly, easily, everything is there. Okay, guys,
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
right from there.
Mhm.
This one should run. Okay, take your own company code, take your own currency, locations, and all. See here. City you should be putting US and all that according to your setup.
Mm-hmm.
What's that? Come on, yeah. Okay, all the best.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Somebody upload the recording as well.
Yeah, I will do that.
Have a good time, guys. Bye.
All right, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
Sakin,
Yeah.
you need my help on recording?
No, actually, I get it. Yeah. Yeah.